Health crazes are everywhere these days. It seems like new diets, superfoods, and exercise routines are popping up everywhere we look. Trends like these have been around for decades, and they show no sign of slowing down. But why are they so popular? And how can you determine if they're effective? Let's examine these fads through the lens of critical thinking. Let's say you run into an ad for an exercise plan that promises weight loss and a sleek physique. The first thing you'll want to do is ask yourself, is there something being sold here? Behind many health crazes is some sort of product. In this case, it could be exercise equipment, a subscription, or content behind a paywall. Before going all in and clicking buy, consider this. Does the company have your best interest at heart, or are they selling something that's ineffective or misleading? Be sure to do your research and see if there's any kind of evidence backing up their product. In some cases, you might hear about a certain health craze because it's immensely popular. When this happens, it's important to take a look at the trend and ask why before jumping in. Is it popular because it actually works, or is it popular because it has effective marketing? Many health crazes gain popularity because people want them to work. They're searching for an answer to their problems. A lot of companies market their products as quick or easy, and people buy into them because they want quick and easy results. Just because a health craze is popular doesn't necessarily mean that it's healthy or that it's the right one for you. With all of these health crazes, there's an inevitable cycle. The current ones fade away, and new ones appear to take their place. Most trends don't stand the test of time because their hype dies down, or they're found to be less effective than advertised. And if the crazes of the past have faded away, we should probably view any new trends that rise up through a critical lens. Amidst this sea of health crazes, it's ultimately up to you to think critically and find the one that's effective, healthy, and right for you.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.